great to see you again. Welcome to another lesson on how to play Say So by Doja Cat, and hope you enjoy it. So guys, let's start with strumming. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we repeat strumming in this combination. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and again. Right? So let's move on to the chords. So this is how it looks like. We start with the E minor 7, right? So the 7th fret. Then we add the second finger on a B string on the 8th fret. Then we add the third finger on a D string on the 9th fret. Right? Okay. And we move on to the next chord, which is A7. So A7, this is how it looks like. So you go on a 5th fret and you add your second finger on a 3rd string, right? The 6th fret on a G string. And then you add the 3rd finger on the A string on a 6th fret. So this is how it goes. Right? The next chord is it's a D major, right? So this is how you catch it. The 5th fret, right? And you add the 3rd finger on 3 strings on the 6th fret, which is the D string, the G string, and the B string, right? So this is how it looks like. This is how we catch it originally, but I prefer to catch it like this. Some guitarists just prefer to do it that way. Right? Okay. And the next chord is a B minor 7, right? So you catch it on the 2nd fret, then the 2nd finger goes on a 2nd string, the 3rd fret, and the 3rd finger goes on the 4th string, the 4th fret, right? Okay guys, so that will be everything, because you use exactly the same chords when you play a verse and the same chords when you play the chorus, right? So it's only 4 chords, not really complicated, so enjoy practicing. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, feel free to subscribe, to like the video, and if you'd like me to do other tutorials, lessons on how to play the song you like, please drop the comment below and I'll see what I can do with it. So thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye!